Hello, today we're going to be unboxing this generic emergency light. I normally would not get generic, but this particular model, the generic is basically just as good as the Lithonia one, so we were at Home Depot and I picked one up. So, and this is just a standard LED emergency light, so we can go ahead and open it up. And also one thing, down in the comments, can you tell me, do you like this newer, do you like the top-down camera angle, and also do you like longer or shorter videos? So if you can, just comment that down below. Alright, so let's go ahead and open it up now. So kind of interestingly, the Home Depot one's actually wrapped in plastic, and there's nothing in the box, no manual or anything. Looks about the same as my other ones there by Lithonia. There's the manual, there's the mounting bracket. And the button actually clicks and it looks and feels a little bit different than my other ones, but still feels fine. Go ahead and open it up. There we go, we got the plastic off, so here's the actual light itself. Here's a bag of cheap wire nuts and some drywall anchors. Here is the instruction manual, which just shows you how to wire it up. And here's the light itself. Has a little sticker on the top, hopefully that'll come off easily. The Lithonia one definitely is a little bit nicer just in how the heads move, but you only adjust it once, so that's not that big a deal. This almost looks like it has more LEDs inside of it, but it's probably the same. It's the same shape and everything else is the same. We have the 3 wires here. I'm going to be making a tutorial on how to wire one of these up pretty soon. Alright, so we can go ahead and pull off the mounting bracket. Which, in case you didn't know, with these ones, it's actually just like an i3 smoke detector. The wires connect to right here, and then the entire unit snaps onto the wall. This looks... oh, interesting. This has a bigger battery pack than my other one. I'm not sure, maybe because it has higher wattage heads or something, but my other one has like at least one less cell inside of it. My other two actually have one less cell, so this is a bigger battery. And it says on the box that it has 90 minutes of runtime. Normally they run a little bit longer than that, so I guess the heads might be bigger on this one. Oh, here we go. So it looks like there's a sticker right here. It says the wattage of the lamps is 1.2 watts. So I'll have to look on my other one and see if I can figure out the wattage on those too. So yeah, that's basically it. I will be making a video on how to wire one of these up, so if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.